Therefore, the CID, which is a subsequent action, that has been withdrawn. There is nothing, no fault that can be reported.
So we have accessed the FIR copy of Rania Rao, where the official from DRI has written to Central Bureau of Investigation stating that in all possibilities, even the central government officials might have involved, and that is the reason CBI should intervene and help them in the investigation of this entire case. How do you see this particular angle?
So, unless such allegation is there, CBI will not get jurisdiction. The CBI's jurisdiction in state of Karnataka is virtually non-existent unless government permits. That is what the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act also contemplates. Therefore, in order to get jurisdiction, in order to probe an issue, they have shown it as a multi-state, number one. Secondly, involvement of officials of the central government under a central law. Therefore, they have come in for the investigation. Let them investigate. CBI can investigate, look into all aspects. Obviously, Delhi team has come to seize this is one information that is going around. If that is the case, then the team, DRI in Bangalore, obviously was complicit in the matter. Therefore, we will see.
Final question on Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, sir. On the floor of House yesterday, he has assured that the Congress government will come back to power even after this 5-year term, and he will continue for 5 years now as well as in the next 5-year term as well. How do you see the statement of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah?
This is a matter which the High Command has specifically directed us not to discuss in public domain. It is in a matter of debate he has said it. I was there. In fact, I was present. The leader of the opposition asked something, then the BJP members were in the well protesting, and they were saying he will not come back. So in that context, he has said it. I can't make an issue.
Thank you, sir.